Today I'm gonna be applying full coverage nail tips, and I'm starting with Dehydrator. This product removes the oils from my natural nails and it helps with adhesion. This is the only prep I'm gonna do today because I won't keep these nails for long. I'm just gonna apply them and use them for tonight. That's why I'm gonna apply as well a peel-off base gel. This peel-off base gel from my car needs curing, so I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. Now I'm moving to the nail tips application. I'm using these gel nail tips from TEMU, and these are the short coffin. I already pre-selected my sizes. I always like to make sure that my nail tips fit me from sidewall to sidewall, and that will be the widest part of my nail. And if you are between sizes, it's always better to go for the larger size and adjust it with a nail file to fit you properly around the cuticle area and the sidewalls. Because if you go for the smaller size, it will give you lifting issues because you're gonna be forcing that nail down, and that's not gonna hold off very long. Nail tips are already pre-buffed, but I added extra buffing by using the dehydrator, and that will melt a little bit inside of the nail tip and help with adhesion. And today I'm using the Betty Cora gel nail glue for the application. I apply an even amount inside the area of the nail that will meet my natural nail. Then I squeeze a little bit extra at the end of the cuticle area. And I lower my nail at 45-degree angle near my cuticle area. I put some pressure in that area to avoid a spillage. Then I lower my nail slowly, making sure I don't have any air bubbles. And I flash cure it under my portable UV lamp between 10 to 15 seconds until my nail is secure. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this same step for all my nails. I finished applying all the nails, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure my full hand for an extra 60 seconds under my full-size UV lamp. I'm gonna be trimming the nails a little bit because I don't want them to be too long. I want to be comfortable tonight when I go out. And I'm using this nail tip cutter with magnets. The magnets will make sure that I cut the nails all the same length. Now I'm going around the cuticle area with my nail drill just to make sure I don't have any spillage, and as well it will give a better finish. It will make the cuticle area look more flush against my natural cuticle. And I'm using a safety bit. The safety bit has like a rounded front, so that won't allow me to cut myself when I'm doing this. And it happened before, guys. I have cut myself and it's not fun at all. And I love this drill bit, this safety drill bit. I'm just gonna finish reshaping everything. As well, I'm going to remove the shine from the nail tips with the buffer. Once I complete all this, I will be ready to start applying base gel. I'm making sure I don't have any dust left at all, because otherwise it will interfere with the application of the gel polish, and I don't want that. I want a nice and smooth application, and I'm starting with base gel from my card, and I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna continue with this beautiful pink from Nail Reserve. I'm gonna apply 2 layers, and I'm gonna be curing each layer for 60 seconds. Wasn't sure what I wanted to do for design, so I went ahead with just some rhinestones as an accent nail, and they came out really cute actually. I'm very happy about it. And this is the result for today. I'm very happy about it. These nails came out really nice. They are simple, but they're just beautiful and elegant. I'm just happy about the results. This base coat that I use, the peel-off base coat that I use for my car, it will last me just for tonight. It's gonna be acting as press-on nails basically. So once I come back tonight from my dinner, I'm gonna remove the nails, because I need to create more nails for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You have a nice day.